my lady, we was talking, and I said, it's really foolish for a woman to be loyal to a man. Her proclivity is to survive. So it's hard for a woman to be loyal to a situation she don't see herself being able to survive in or being secure in. Yeah. Look at the divorce rate. These numbers translate to a nature the same way a man's infidelity translate to a nature. So when a woman is loyal to you, she's sacrificing a lot to be loyal to just you because her safety and her survival is at stake. We're more prone to be loyal because we can go anywhere and survive. We're not dependent. Yeah, the woman is dependent on the man, so it don't really make sense for her to be loyal to just one. That's why you see these women go through all these boyfriends. They trying to see who's gonna get the most security, who's gonna get the most stability. Now, I'm not saying it don't make them right, but it's just their nature. We don't understand it, so we get frustrated because we've been taught a certain way. The same way they frustrated. I'm like, baby, all your boyfriends cheated on you. Yet you still looking for a nigga that ain't gonna cheat on you. You a fool. Yeah. Me, man, all your girlfriends broke up with you. Not me per se, but I'm saying, but a dude that had been left, all your girls left you, bro. Why you think? Why you keep looking for a loyal woman? Exactly. So when you go through these experiences, then you start seeing it interacting way differently than you did in previous. That's what's gonna separate her from the rest, and then that's when the protection come into play. People are now trying to have experiences so they can compare to their homegirls and their homeboys. When you go into these intimate spaces and you want to get married, all that external factors influence that shit it's down there still. We getting rid of all that. Yeah, we getting rid of all that because they not trying to do what we doing. They want to keep up with the Jones. They need the latest and greatest. We don't need that because we see what that get. Look how you look at the internet, from the celebrities down to the chicks you know in the area, leaving they dudes just like that. Break up. Because social media say, hey, ladies, this what your life can look like without your man. You really don't need him. That's why you look every year the divorce rate go up and up and up. You got a window that you can look out of and see what your life would look like without this man or woman. So you ain't got no problem risking it.
And I feel like that security piece too, though. What you said like it goes back to basically like I was just thinking about if the roles is flipped, and it goes back to what Christian was saying. You feel me? Like how he said he'd rather be goddamn. What you say? You'd rather be happy rich or happy broke?
I would be happy broke than miserable rich.
You know what I'm saying? So like it goes back to that though. Said like the security piece of it though. What if like a woman? You know what I'm saying? If she feels like that as well, like. Man, like she's miserable in the household, like he doing what he want to do, you know what I'm saying, throwing his weight around, he cheating, doing whatever he want to do, you know what I'm saying, and she really miserable, but he put her up, kids straight, house straight, all that straight, you feel me? Like you think, that's what I'm saying, a lot more, it's more common now that they are still staying in those situations rather than, and Christian saying like he got the power in it, like he could leave, you know what I'm saying, even if the woman was providing that. So is it just basically like, it goes off, it based off what sex you is, or you know, that's what I'm asking.
It's position.
Look at it.
Perfect example. Leverage. Kirk and Rashida. I don't really watch it, but I hear people talking about it, and I look at the history. They've been together about 18 years?
Yeah, somewhere in there.
Look at all his antics. She won't leave because he's covered so many bases of security and stability that I want the J's. I know it's 108 degrees out here, but I'm gonna still stand in line to get them. I ain't gonna get out this line. You see what I'm saying? So if she had other options, she may explore. So it's a give and take, but a lot of it's like
a mental disorder as well.
That's why I say a lot of women and men, they end up wanting to switch roles. Like it's a process, it's an order of processes. Like spiders. The black widow, the female is usually always 2 to 3 times larger than the male. It eats the male every time they mate. So in reality, the male only get one sex partner. So it'd be equivalent to the male saying, I want to eat the female this time. When women say I want to cheat too, like the man, she's saying she want to eat the male spider, want to eat the female spider. In nature, the female always eat the male. Exactly. It's never gonna be a time where it's reversed. It's a natural order. It's just natural. We can't shake it. No matter how bad we don't like it, we can't change the order of nature, the laws of nature. It's never gonna be a time where a male black widow spider eat the female. It's not gonna happen. So when women try to do that, and when we try to, you're out of order.
Yeah.
You don't know the order. Out of order. That's all it is. We just out of order.
And we're not taught to pick. We don't know what we got going on.
Yeah.
And now I was about to throw in. I was like, I feel like gender do definitely make a difference in that. Like, we say it all the fucking time. Women cheat off emotion, niggas cheat off a nut. We say it all the damn time. So I feel like gender definitely plays a big role in that.
You think women cheat because of emotion?
Definitely.
Oh yeah,
definitely.
I think that she just cheat.
But it's the influence behind it. The emotions is the influence.
Yeah.
You don't think women just be wanting to fuck just to fuck?
No,
the women we got today.
Cheating or fucking?
Ooh,
cheating is a different. Cheating and fucking two different things. Yeah.
So
she ain't giving him grandma's big t-shirt moo pussy, the new nigga she cheating with. She giving him Victoria's Secrets, La Perla, Bun, Baccarat Rouge type. She ain't going with the chicken grease moo on. She ain't going with the new nigga with that. Because most women cheat up.
Yeah. Men
cheat down. So when she cheat, it's emotionally driven because the fantasies she done drew up. You gonna get the goddamn chicken grease sundress pussy. The new nigga who stay in the motherfucking penthouse, she got red bottoms on, trench coat with that motherfucking Victoria's Secret up on it up.
Yep.
I don't personally believe the women. I've seen bitches actually cheat. Like if I'm looking at like just from my experience, when I watch married women, when I worked in the plant, cheat.
Hold on, what you said when they what?
When I work in the plant,
and the women work well
in the plant.
Everything. So what? I'm not saying what I want to say
because we all know.
You know what I'm saying.
What you mean?
But say what you want to say.
You said something about the plant. Well, stay in the plant.
I know chick that you working side by side with, right?
It's
probably a likely chance this ain't your first choice of chick to marry.
No, of course not.
So it don't make sense to use them because it's
the reason that I use them, I think, for me, the equivalency of those chicks, I think, spread across the board.
You think a bad bitch and a rat cheat the same?
But hold on. I do think a bad bitch and a rat cheat the same. You want me to explain it why?
Yeah.
Because if you got a bad bitch that fuck Trey Songz, she probably gonna fuck Chris Brown. She probably gonna fuck Usher.
Mm-hmm.
Those are all niggas that probably comparable to each other.
Mm-hmm. I'm gonna give you an example.
Okay. Hold on. But before we move on, Selena Powell. I'm not saying she bad or not, but she made her rounds and superhead.
That's a slut. We're not talking about her.
Okay.
I'm gonna give you the power dynamic.
Okay, go ahead.
Name the lady who Tiger Woods cheated on his wife with.
Can't name her.
Can't name.
Name the $1 million bad bitch you know or you didn't hit or you know somebody in your circle didn't hit.
It happened.
Bad bitches and rats don't cheat the same.
That's true though.
Just like big dogs and little dogs don't eat the same.
Yep.
Big dogs and little dogs don't eat the same food, said.
That is.
Why they don't eat the same food?
Because they body made different. A puppy chihuahua ain't getting the protein this motherfucking bull massive that weigh 220 weight.
But we understand that. We know those are dogs and sizes. We're talking about in the realm of human nature.
It's genetics.
And like I say, when we're talking about cheating.
But we're talking about genetics now. Genetically,
genetics is different.
Biology is my point. A bad
that's what I'm saying.
A big dog and a little dog don't eat the same food.
I agree. I'm not arguing.
A bad bitch and a rat don't.
But I'm saying, hold on. But I'm saying, have you seen women in these circles? So let me ask you. We're just gonna ask you. So we talking about cheating, right? But I gotta get ready to go in a minute. Okay. We're talking about cheating, right?
Yeah.
So we talking about women moving up because women typically like to lateral or go up. Typically,
more so go up.
So we all agree. We all agree women like to go up.
Yeah.
Okay. A Lori Harvey.
Mm-hmm.
Do you think the niggas that she all dated that we just saying are all comparable to each other?
For the most part,
yeah.
They're in the same realm, yeah.
But she didn't go down. She didn't.
I'm not saying
my
thing is my only argument is I don't necessarily think women cheat up, but I do think more so if they're gonna cheat, it's gonna be on a lateral basis. And the reason I say that, even when you look at relationships, they always talk about how people that typically date each other gonna kind of have the same IQ, they kind of gonna have the same income level.
Well, we're not talking. You talking about rebound dating?
No.
I'm talking about cheating.
I get what you're saying. So if that's the case, typically most cheating happen at the workplace. So Yeah,
I agree with that.
Okay, so most cheating happen at the workplace. So if me and you, and me and my woman typically comparable in income and all that type of shit, the nigga she gonna cheat is probably gonna be around the same type of nigga that I am.
Her work husband.
Nah. I think more accessibility at work. That's all it is.
That too.
Yeah, but I'm just saying, like I'm just gonna just use me as an example. So me and my wife make about the same amount of money. I make a little more, but we make the same money. So she go to school around other niggas. If she was to cheat with a nigga, it ain't going. The niggas that's around her,
I'm being her ecosystem.
But they not better. I don't understand how she gonna get a better. And honestly, most of the niggas